Okay, J.L. Porter Blacksmith Shop. Okay, yeah, no, this is Potter's Journal. And we're here at the Southside Historic Village. It is one of the rare quiet moments in here. So maybe we'll turn the camera on and see what's happening in the Potter's shop. Today, yes, I guess in the crock and jug era. And here they are. I do a Potter's Journal video twice a week, but this is the first time I did a 7-pound jug. And was scared to death when somebody came by me watching, thinking it might fall in. But at the end of the crock and jug era, Prohibition, what did they do? They started putting faces on them so they could stay in business when they could no longer also sell butter churn. So I'm doing the same thing here today, putting faces on the side of the mugs, so hopefully I can get a little bit more for them. Here's the teeth. That's the tedious part. So maybe we'll get one put together before it gets noisy here again.
But it is nice to see the craft coming back, you know, kind of all the time.
Okay.
You know, a lot of the other crafts are kind of, staying kind of steady in the art community. You got, pottery, glasswork, and stuff like that. And there's people that have a passion for it. But there was almost a time there for
not a single battery in my course.
Yeah. Nobody was around for the next generation. Now,
this guy operates like this.
On the upswing of that, there's a lot more now that we're trying to...
Yeah, I'd rather get batteries and fixing them. What? Will it take a long time?
No, it don't take a long time.
Yeah, go.
You're crazy.
No,
There's stuff like Mr. O'Leary does.
Yeah,
I'm working on a hammer handle here.
Oh,
Blacksmith made these. So I'm going to do that.
He's making a clay pot with face. So he's making the handles.
Oh, he's making the handles, you making pots?
No, I'm doing handles too right now.
He's doing a
We're
different
both
kind of
doing
handle.
handles.
The blacksmith made this yesterday.
So today he's making
So I'm
the
making a
handle.
handle.
Oh, that's cool.
Isn't that cool?
Be careful.
Pretty heavy. Don't drop it on your toes, you'll be sorry.
That's cool.
You drop it on cement and nick it, the blacksmith will be after you.
I think that's is that made out of real, like...
Oh yeah, it's made out of hardened, the steel, it's hardened and polished.
Oh, that's cool.
See?
That's cool.
Hello.
Now, I'm not in a big hurry, there's a couple of boys back there.
Look at
You see that marble race? There's some marbles, that track over there, there's some marbles down the bottom.
Really?
Right here.
I love that. That's cool.
Here. Drop it in there.
Oh, you're making a big one with two.
This is it. I just am putting the final thumbprint to hold the handle down. Oh, wait a minute. I have to move that handle. This is the one for the auction.
Oh.
Not this fall. Next summer or next fair. It goes in the fair. And but I want to put on the back.
These are like ladders. These are ladders.
The folk artists who did these often would scratch something in with a nail. So I was, instead of hand stamping it like I did with the other pieces, I do have this fall, December's auction piece up there now.
Okay.
Southside Historic Village Association, Beaver County, because they'd always put something like Beaver County, PA, and a date. But also the writing, it would actually be the scroll writing, which we don't do anymore. The kids, people told me the kids don't know how to write anymore.
They don't. They don't know how to read.
Yeah.
They don't know how to read that. You like them?
Oh, wow.
Cool, huh?
Yeah.
Yeah, they have a thing on the news, like, like a special thing on the evening news
Yeah,
this summer,
yeah.
Take one in each
where
hand.
they were talking about,
Pull the left hand
that they
down.
don't teach cursive writing in schools anymore, but there are cursive writing clubs that are springing up in some school districts. They don't teach it. So, this guy wrote his...
I'm still in, how could that be?
He
Yeah.
wrote to his daughter, he wrote her
Hey, no batteries in our toys.
that she could read. Pretty neat, because it was in cursive.
Yeah.
And she got mad at it because he wrote her a letter
So
in
this is
that
going to
funny
be
writing.
so this will be a collectible piece
Yeah.
a lot faster than I thought it was. So yeah, the potter and the blacksmith, do you take requests?
Only musical.
Okay, the folk artists that originally made these things would often use a nail to carve some kind of script in the back, and this piece is going for the Southside Historic Village auction, so we want to put on the back, scratched in script, the way the folk artists would have done it with a nail, Southside Historic Village. So if you could do a nail.
We will get it done.
If you could do a nail, I will catch up with you later and we'll see what we could do. The collaboration, the potter and the blacksmith. Is it a nail yet?
Almost a nail.
Working on the head right now.
Okay, here's those jugs we have to get the nail for to do the inscription on the back. Okay, is it nail day? We have to do an official inscription on a historic quality jug, and that's the way the old potters did it. They scratched in with a nail.
Check our header, where we land.
So no, I don't think this would be too bad to make one of these for a potter to scratch an inscription into the back of a jug, but what else did they do with these things? They didn't build buildings and barns out of them, did they?
They did, but not as we do now. They wouldn't have used it for construction.
Okay, they'd more the peg, the peg thing, okay.
Yeah. Which is why the old saying of burning down the building for the nails is true.
Okay.
See why.
Wow, yeah.
It's the Home Depot.
Where would they have been used, like in an old barn or in a log cabin?
Indoors, they would use them in, mounting things to the wall.
Okay.
So they would have definitely not been to hold.
Okay.
They would have been used for plank stuff.
Yeah. The hinges on a door to attach the hinges, or
Yeah, it could have been
yeah, yeah.
We're gonna make a head on the nail. Round it up, make it nice. Drop it in the water. Boom, there's your nail.
All right, very nice. Okay, thank you. Oh, I could put it in my hand too.
You can.
Yeah. All right, thank you.
You're very welcome.
Okay, great collaboration. Okay, so today we've got to get the inscription on these pieces outside Historic Village with that handmade nail. And it's a busy day in the artisan studios here at the village.
Oh, that's cute. That's really cool. Yeah, go ahead and grab it.
So, how do we spell it? Well, I guess if I spell it wrong, it might be more historically accurate.
Do a balancing act with no.
I grew up on a farm, but don't know my life.
Oh, okay.
This way, this is a part of it.
Oh, who you are.
Yeah.
Okay.
It's not, I don't do this as a profession.
You can get
I
very hot.
spent 40 years teaching elementary school.
Oh, wow.
I built my own kitchen cabinets out of,
There's so much heavy getting here, you guys were just reading.
out of this one.
Oh, wow.
That's what it looks like.
Wow. How beautiful is that?
I know, that's
And
beautiful.
Not buy this wood.
Oh, really?
For me chestnut.
Oh, wow.
Yeah.
Oh, wow, I can't believe it. There they are making that noise in the background of my video the entire time. Not only are they making the noise in my video, here they are doing it in woods, And here they are doing it with a hammer. Oh, these guys, you gotta love them. What they did to me through this week. Okay.